We're just about to demonstrate the new aluminium case that holds the GPX 5000 down to the GPX 4000 and the coil cable clips. It's the GPX 5000 in the case and the new coil cable clips. And I'll just install those now. And install our first one just to make sure that we're not placing any pressure on the cable as it goes into the coil, because if that breaks, it's no good. Just take the remaining bit of the slack out of the cable there, turn around, got a nice straight cable on top of the lower shaft to help reduce any pickup from the coil onto that cable. Setup, that was it for the day. Let's go and pack up, take the clips off, put those in the case. There we go. Have a nice day.